may against. Especially yung areas na excess yung labor. Na-anticipate namin yan. And we believe normal din naman yun na since may ganong advancement, sabi natin advancement. But to come to think of it, yung possibility that they could also become the organized groups na to provide the service is also a possibility for them. Diba? So that's another, yun yung pwede namin pangtawid naman sa kanila to somehow train them, for them to use this technology. Hindi lang naman siya yung negative effect. To areas na merong violent reaction, syempre magme-mellow down ka doon. But doon sa mas mataas yung interest, doon namin mas dinadala yung kasi nandun yung interest and the willingness to. Meron kami kasi tinatawag na Digital Farmers Program sa ATI. And isa tong among the modules na pagpapakilala dun sa mga ganitong technology.